Lubbock legal community is mourning the loss of a longtime judge and dedicated public servant. From the courtroom to the military, Judge Mackey Hancock made a lasting impact on the lives of many.
KCBD News Channel 11's Imani Jackson has a reflection on his life from those who knew him both inside and outside the courthouse.
When I think of this courthouse and its history, you can't help but think of Judge Hancock as well.
Judge Mackey Hancock spent decades serving others, from military deployments overseas to the people of Lubbock County, from within the criminal court to the Court of Appeals. But those who knew him say his impact reached far beyond the bench. Brian Quinn, Chief Justice of the 7th Court of Appeals, worked closely with Hancock for years.
And I remember walking into the lunch area, and he had his lunch he brought with him from home, and he had his Bible open. And he was reading from the Bible. He spent time every day doing that, so he can be founded in what believed most to him, his family and in God.
A man of faith, family, and deep commitment to serve. Judge Hancock also served more than 30 years in the U.S. Army Reserves, retiring as a colonel. His friendships were built through years of shared experiences, in and out of uniform. Judge Les Hatch says Hancock lived with intention.
Again, I think Judge Hancock lived a life, total life, not just his judicial life and his lawyer life, but the total life that would serve as an example for anyone to want to follow.
Chief Justice Quinn says that beyond his title and service, Hancock's heart stood out the most.
How he was a friend, most of all, a friend, in the true meaning that he would do what he could to help you.
Rather in a robe, a uniform, or in the backyard watching his grandkids, those closest to him say he lived with purpose and left behind an example of what it means to serve with integrity. Imani Jackson, KCBD News Channel 11.
Judge Hancock's memorial service will be held Thursday morning at 10 o'clock at St. Luke's Methodist Church. Graveside services will follow.